What's up, guys? This is Philly Swords RC. Today I got
ready.
Not really. The Arrma Kraton EXB RTR 6S and the Traxxas Sledge 6S. Yeah, I'm gonna run both these bad boys. Not really too much of a comparison. I wanna, with this one I got a new body. I know it was orange before, but I got a brand new fresh body now. It's nice and shiny and fresh. It also got orange shocks on there now, as you can see, orange inserts, as you can see. So this thing is orange out. On the inside, this is basically stock, as you can see, all stock, everything. Little baby pinion in there, because this is an 8S ESC VXL ESC, but I'm gonna just run it on 6S. And as for the Kraton, y'all seen this. Y'all seen this a million times. Really didn't have to show that one because it's nothing special. My cars be clean on the inside though. I have to give myself props on there. I hate rusty screws. You see a couple rusty screws in there, but I try to eliminate that. But yeah, I'm gonna run both of these monsters today. I know I'm gonna tear up my body, but that's okay. Yeah, these is both beautiful trucks inside and out. You got the red and black on here, and then this one you got the orange, blue, and gray, and black. Like, people did this comparison in the hole by now, but both vehicles, I love both of them. I want to see how this performed today with these shocks, because they're a little stiffer than the original ones. They stiffer than it's about the same. Forgot to take the zip ties off for my lights, but that's cool. So I'm gonna throw these 6S batteries in there. I'm gonna run this one on Turnigy, a Turnigy battery. Kraton is running the Turnigy battery, and the Sledge is gonna run a CNHL. We're gonna start off with the Sledge. Table launch. That was corny.
Ready.
Yeah, this Sledge, I had this for a few years, probably 3 years. This is a pure beast. Yeah, that suspension is really stiff. Pretty good stuff like that. This was my favorite jump with my Sledge when I first got it. But y'all know how that turned out. I got a ramp. I can't even see this really bottoming out. But yeah, this thing was a beast. Very durable. Like a cat always lands on his feet. Now, because I said that, it's gonna flip on this back every 5 minutes. And that's the thing about this, I don't like the bumper. Perfect. Wow, incredible. Yo. Open the bumper. I don't have nothing that can fit that. I'm gonna do a super flyby. Yeah, because they got a newer sledge out, and I really don't see the difference. All the thing is they have belted tires. I mean, that might be worth it to some people. Somebody like me, not really. Perfect. Yo. I don't know, Kraton, you're gonna have to show up now. This thing is not playing games. Perfect. Definitely not playing games today, man. Yeah, but that new sledge, I really don't see the point of that, but I don't see a point of a lot of things. But it's all about the hobby, I guess. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, that's the problem. Yo, this is an 8S system, and it could not pull out of there. Should have easily pulled out of there. Perfect. Trying to break my GoPro, and that's my fault. Keep getting so close to the cars. Don't look like you could pull off a backflip though. Ooh, I know something broke on that. Yeah, she having to fit now. Look like the dog bone probably came out. See, can I pop that bit back in? Well, let me see if that's it. I really know that's what it is. The dog bone popped out. And yes, exactly, the dog bone popped out. Yeah, the dog bone came out. Nothing broke. But I ain't bring no tools with me. So let's pull out the Kraton. All right, now we got the Kraton out, and we're gonna do another table launch. All right, we got the Kraton out, we're gonna do a table launch. Much better. Oh, it made me dizzy.
Yo, check this out.
Yeah, that Eternity battery is rocking though. I guess that's not too much fear. Ouch. That rock just tore me up right there. Alright, it's my last try. It really holds it down. Whoa. Y'all can't tell me this thing ain't a beast. Gonna do a drive-by. Yeah, I could barely control it. Boom! Definitely could have did a backflip. I don't know why I'm going all the way back there like I'm gonna hit it that hard. Perfect.
Gotcha.
Perfect. Let's see if I can pull off a backflip.
Done yet.
Boom! Yo, that's crazy. Now y'all see why the Kraton is one of my favorites. Sledge is not bad at all. But the Kraton, come on now. This is without any upgrades. No upgraded system. Factory system. Gears a little, I think the gears factory. Yeah, the gears factory also. Perfect. Easy, very easy to control in the air. I can get the sledge up the part like that, but it's gonna take some stuff there. Boom! Perfect. Wow. Front flip. The ramp did not survive. Kraton got to go without the ramp. That's okay. Yo, I barely missed them trash cans, and that would have been game over. Hey, they got a new Kraton out, and I don't see the point of that either. Yeah, this one is just fine. The cups maybe need some upgrading, but that's about it. As for, of course, because I just got a snag in my back and I have to walk all the way over there. Why did it turn like that? Perfect. Well, I tell you, easy to control. You can get out of any trouble. Well, I ain't gonna say any. Most of the time, you can power out most bad situations. Most bad situations. But they got a new one that really don't serve purpose to me. Perfect. I just like, you know what? I just want to upgrade. Perfect.
Excellent.
Oh shoot. Almost made it. But that's enough yapping. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.